Hello, welcome to 5.2 day 1. Oops, here you go. We're going to write an equation from a table. So we're going to identify the y-intercept, then we're going to calculate slope, and then write an equation. Same vocab, is just here's slope, here's y-intercept. All right, so when you are looking at a table, you first want to see if you can find the easy way to see the y-intercept. You found the y-intercept when x is 0. If there is no x that equals 0 here, then we have to do something different. But if there's an x that equals 0, whatever y is, that's our answer. Since there is no 0, we have to find the pattern in the table. So let's find the pattern in the table. So I see the x's go by 100s, plus 100, plus 100. So to go backwards, I have to minus 100. And 100 minus 100 is 0, which is what I want. So now whatever number I get here is going to go at the end of my equation. Y equals something x. It's going to go here. So I see 14 to 20 is plus 6. 20 to 26 is plus 6. So to go backwards, it's minus 6. So 14 minus 6 is going to be 8. So the back of my equation is going to be plus 8. Okay, so that's step 1. Now we got to find slope. So we're going to pick two ordered pairs, and we're going to do y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so we're going to pick two ordered pairs. I like to pick the two lowest ones because there's less multiplying, and odds are we have a 0. So let's do y2 is 14 minus y1 is 8. x2 is 100 minus x1 is 0. 14 minus 8 is 6. 100 minus 0 is 100. So now I have 6 over 100. I can divide both these by 2, and I get 3 over 50. That's as small as I can make it. And so that is my slope, which goes right at the beginning of that equation. So I have 3 over 50, final answer. So two things or three steps. One, I got to see if there's a 0 in the x column. If there isn't, then I find the pattern in the table to get the y-intercept. Then I have to pick two ordered pairs and do slope formula. Let's do another one. Do you see a 0 in the x column? No, there's no 0 up here. So we're going to have to find the pattern instead. So I see it looks like we're going by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 4, 6, 8, 10. So to go backwards, I'm going to minus 2, and that gets me 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Is that 0? No, so I have to go one more time. Minus 2. So now I got 0. That's what I want. Okay, so now 550 to 700 is plus 150. So I got to go backwards. I'm going to minus 150. So 50 minus 50 is 500. 550 minus 50 is 500. And then 500 minus 100 is 400. So I got 400. Then I got to do it one more time because I did it one more time on top. So 400 minus 100 is 300. Minus 50 is 250. So this number goes at the back of my equation. Y equals something x plus 250. Great, halfway there. Now we're going to plug two ordered pairs into slope formula. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So I'm going to take 400 minus 250, y2, y1, over x2, which is 2 minus 0, 2 and 0. 400 minus 250 is 150. Over 2 minus 0 is 2. And we could divide this. 150 divided by 2. It's actually 75. So it's going to be 75. Oopsie. 75x plus 250. And we're done. Shall we do one more? Let's do this one. There's this one. No, let's do this one. This one's better. Okay. I need to look in the x column. Is there a 0 that is x? There it is. If there's a 0 for x, do I have to find a pattern in the table? No. Whatever y is with the x, that is my answer. So 30 is my y-intercept. So I got y equals something x plus 30. Okay? A lot of kids still try to find the pattern in the table. If it's already 0, the work is done for you. Right? We're already done. Now we're going to take these two ordered pairs, and we're going to do y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So I'm going to take 18 minus 30, and 8 minus 0. So 18 minus 30 is going to be a negative number. It's going to be negative 12. And then 8 minus 0 is 8. I could divide both of these by 4. And I get negative 3 over 2. And that number is our slope. And it goes right here for slope. Negative 3 over 2. Final answer. We're done. Let me know if you have any questions.